Wrexham have recently experienced a mix of pride on the international stage and a frustration in the Championship. In a rare moment for the club, Kieffer and Nathan Broadhead have linked up to score for Wales in the first time in a modern era for two Wrexham players, combining at international level. Moore's vision and Broadhead's clinical finish showcased the quality coming through the squad and offered a reminder of past Wrexham heroes on the international stage, from Offron Griffiths' decisive goal against Austria in 1975 to Chris Lewin's strike in 2006. Yet the same attacking firepower has not always translated into consistent results domestically. Wrexham have suffered narrow defeats despite strong attacking setups. In such game, the team has relied on four maturing strikers, including Moore and Broadhead, with right wing-back Ryan Barnett and Liberati Casais pushing high. While the intent is clear, cohesion can be inconsistent, with key midfielders like Lewis O'Brien and Issa Kabore sometimes off their game, leaving the attack disjointed. Manager Phil Parkinson has noted that moments of promise are often undone by poor decisions or lapses in composure, reflecting the fine margins in the Championship. Flashes of quality, O'Brien linking with Moore or Moore creating for Smith, hinted at what the team can achieve when pieces click. Squad balance and tactical choices remain central to Wrexham's development. The club's investment in players like Moore and Broadhead represents a significant outlay, and finding the right combination on the pitch is crucial. Parkinson has highlighted the squad's work ethic and buy-in as key strengths, emphasising that resilience and adaptability will be vital as they seek consistency. With the right balance and composure, Wrexham have the tools to turn promise into sustained success and restore belief among supporters at the racecourse ground.